In today's episode, I'm going to show you a very easy and healthy amaranth leaves fry recipe. If you follow this recipe, even those who don't like leafy vegetables will like it. Now, for the preparation of this curry, take a pan and heat it. Once pan is hot, add 15 to 20 red chilies and 1 tablespoon ground nuts, some fresh curry leaves. Fry it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After frying, add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Fry it for another 1 minute on medium flame. After that, take it in a mixie jar and make it into a fine powder. Here, the powder is ready. Then in the same pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Then add 1 cup of finely chopped onions, some fresh curry leaves and fry. Fry all these for 1 minute on medium flame. After 1 minute, add 1/4 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder and mix well. Fry all these for 1 minute. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and mix well. Fry for 1 minute on medium flame. Then add chopped amaranth leaves and mix the curry well. Then close the lid and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, add salt as per your taste. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon salt. Mix the curry once again. After that, close the lid and cook for another 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, curry cooked well. Now add the masala powder that we prepared earlier. Mix the curry well. After that, close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, curry will be cooked well. That's it. It's a very simple process. You can make it very easily, and it is also very healthy, so you should definitely try this once.